Hey, it's November 13th, 2020. Kind of the first real big storm of the season. I woke up to find this little disaster. Our poor tomato plants, half of them knocked over. Well, those are my roommates technically, but I help nurture them from time to time. Little strip of porch came undone. I guess it was windier last night than I thought it was. Also, my garbage cans were tipped over, knocked over. And that little blue thing you see there is a watering container for plants. I think it belongs to my neighbors. A little bit of a breeze in the air right now. It's that time of year. Starting to feel like November for sure, starting today. And we're expected to get some pretty heavy rains for a while. For at least the next few days. So, getting into it. It's not bad right now. Kind of a light mist. Forecast is showing 90% chance of rain today, with winds up to 35 miles per hour. Those are some pretty hardy gusts. Maybe I should secure those tomato plants when I get home. Ooh, look at that rockstar parking. Prepare yourselves for my appetite, Moscows. Digging it. Hey, what's up, everyone? Just out taking a stroll in the rain. It's a cold and wet, gloomy, rainy day. Starting to feel like November again. Got my sweater on, my music, my tiny little umbrella, which wouldn't do me any good if it got any gustier than this. But just feels good to be out of the house, in the rain. It's refreshing. Rain's coming down a little bit. It's not too bad. Winds are probably like 10 to 15 miles per hour. Any more than that, it would turn this tiny little umbrella inside out, no doubt. Them puddles are forming. I love this. All the leaves covering Esteban Mexican restaurant. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Those vibrant colors reflecting off the rain. Beautiful. It's really pretty with all the colors. Green, red, blue, yellow, orange. Very vibrant. Nice to feast your eyes on. Got the defrost on right now. Cold enough to fog out that window. Relatively short amount of time. It's my favorite tree. Wanted to take you to this little section of street here, this corner, that little trail that goes down to a line. It's kind of close to where I live, and it's really pretty right now. The leaves are starting to sort of rain a little bit. Trees are starting to get pretty naked with all this wind coming through. It won't be too much longer before they are. Alright, here we are nearing the end of the day. About an hour away from dark. It's about 4, a little after 4 p.m. It's been raining sporadically, off and on all day. And the sun has decided to come out a little bit and say hello. Hello, sun. Wasn't as bad as they reported in the news. That's usually the case. But I don't think we'll see the end of this little system that's in the area right now. I think it's supposed to rain over the course of the next couple days, off and on. We'll see. That kind of wraps it up for this first video in the storm series that I'm just now kicking off, so see where it goes. Looking forward to get some good, powerful storms in the coming months. Bye for now.